Welcome back to Pop Quiz. If you're new here, we test your knowledge with fast, fun history challenges. Today, state capitals. And not the easy ones. I'm talking about the capitals most Americans mix up every single time. I've got 10 questions. Let's see if you can beat the average score of 4 out of 10. Here we go. Question 1. What is the capital of New York? Is it A, Buffalo, B, Albany, or C, New York City? Most tourists get this wrong. Think carefully. The answer is B, Albany. Surprised? Most are. Question 2. What is the capital of California? A, Los Angeles, B, San Francisco, or C, Sacramento? It's not the famous one, it's C, Sacramento. Question 3. This one trips people up. What is the capital of Washington State? A, Seattle, B, Olympia, or C, Spokane? The state is Washington. The capital is not the big city. It's B, Olympia. You're 3 in. Let's see if you're paying attention. Question 4. What is the capital of Illinois? A, Chicago, B, Springfield, or C, Peoria? Lincoln's hometown is the answer. B, Springfield. Question 5. What is the capital of Pennsylvania? A, Philadelphia, B, Pittsburgh, or C, Harrisburg? The Liberty Bell is in Philly, but the capital? It's C, Harrisburg. Halfway done. If you have 5 out of 5, you're beating 90% of people. If you slipped, the next 5 are your comeback. Question 6. What is the capital of Florida? A, Miami, B, Orlando, or C, Tallahassee? Not the tourist spots. It's C, Tallahassee. Question 7. What is the capital of Texas? A, Houston, B, Austin, or C, Dallas? Everything is bigger in Texas, but the capital is B, Austin. Question 8. What is the capital of Massachusetts? A, Boston, B, Cambridge, or C, Springfield? This one feels obvious, but is It's A, Boston. Question 9. What is the capital of Missouri? A, St. Louis, B, Kansas City, or C, Jefferson City? Named after a president, it's C, Jefferson City. Final question, number 10. What is the capital of South Dakota? A, Sioux Falls, B, Pierre, or C, Rapid City? This one stumps almost everyone. The answer is B, Pierre, pronounced Pierre. 10 questions, done. Add up your score. If you got 0 to 4, you need a road trip. Time to visit those capitals. If you got 5 to 7, you're solid. You'd survive a trivia night. If you got 8 to 10, you're a geography genius. You probably have a map on your wall. Comment your score below. Let us know which capital tricked you the most. If you enjoyed this pop quiz, hit like. It helps more people find us. Subscribe for a new challenge every week. Next time, we're testing your knowledge of U.S. presidents, the obscure ones. Thanks for playing. See you in the next one.